All right, guys, it's going to be 2015 Clear Vision Football 2-box break. This is ID number 5751 and 5752. Right now, let's go ahead and screen share everybody in. All right, we have Robert S. up top. We've got Gracilia J. down at the bottom. Jolo, what's happening, man? Let's go ahead and copy this list right here. Paste it into random, run it through 7 times. Good luck to you. There's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number 7. All right, JA's up top. Rodney M., you are down at the bottom. And we're going to copy our list right here, put it into the spreadsheet. Find out who has what team. This is Clear Vision. All right, here are our team assignments to your left. If you would like to make a trade, all you got to do is offer it up. If you would like to make a trade, all you got to do is offer it up. All right, so the Bengals are available for trade. All right, so I don't see any trades. Let's go ahead and make it happen. Here we go. Good luck to everybody in on the break. All right, there is Matt Forte right there. First up, Mr. Matt Forte. And, of course, the camera. There we go. Let's get the camera in focus for us. There we go. Here is a revision right here, rookie revision. This is Jerome Bettis right here. The bus in the Rams right there. Nice one, L.A. Rams. Jerome Bettis. All right, what do we have here? Jumbo Relic, 12 of 99. Tamba Hali with the Kansas City Chief. Kansas City Chiefs right there, Tamba Hali. And that's going to go out to, that's going to be Rod A right there. Rod, coming your way. All right, first up is a Phillip Rivers. Phillip Rivers right there, San Diego. Here is a Preston Smith right here with the Washington Redskins. Preston Smith. And then we have San Diego Charger. That's going to be Brandon Oliver right there. Brandon Oliver. There's Mr. Bo Jackson, Oakland Raider. Then we have a rookie revision right there of Doug Flutie, Chicago Bear. And what do we got here? Clear Vision. Look at this. Number to 99, 32 of 99. The Double Vision Green Bay Packer. And that's going to be Randall Cobb and Jordy Nelson right there. The Double Vision Green Bay Packers. Nice hit right there. All right, first up is going to be Eric Decker with the New York Jets. Mr. Eric Decker right there. And then we have a Tony Lippett, rookie wide receiver for the Miami Dolphins. Tony Lippett. And here is a DeAndre Hopkins, now the main man in Houston, with the departure of Andre Johnson right there. Houston Texans hit. And there's Mr. Matty Ice right there down there in Atlanta. Matt Ryan. Had a conversation last night while we were on the air. Some of the guys said they would take Tony Romo over Matt Ryan. What do you think? The Baltimore Ravens next up is going to be a C.J. Mosley right there. C.J. Mosley. And then we have a Clear Vision. Look at that. That's a great looking card right there. It's Terry Bradshaw. Mr. Terry B. Terry B. Terry Bradshaw right there. Clear Vision. Pittsburgh Steeler. AB said, I'll take option C. Neither. He said he'd go out there on his own. What kind of 40 are you looking at, Smack? Here is a Joe Montana right here. Joe Montana. Yeah, the stained glass insert. That's awesome, isn't it? Joe Montana, San Francisco 49er. And then we got a nice hit coming up right there. Here's a revision right here. Peyton Manning, rookie revision. Indianapolis Colts. Then what do we got here? A 1/1 D tackle, Gerald McCoy. 1/1. Look at that. Tampa Bay Buccaneer. That's going to be Dave R. right there, coming away with the 1/1. Gerald McCoy. Nice hit, Dave. Our first 1/1 of the evening. And there's Vincent Jackson, Tampa Bay. Then we got Jay Ajayi, my man down in Miami right there. Him and Lamar Miller ready to do damage. And then we have a C.J. Mosley again, the Baltimore Ravens. 2 left in Upper Deck Exquisite, first box of the case. There is Aaron Rodgers right there, AR-12 with Green Bay. Then we have a Justin Hardy here, 22 of 99. Justin Hardy, Atlanta Falcons, ATL, JA coming your way. And there's the bus again. Big Easy, what's up, man? Jeff said 19 left in a fresh case of NT Baseball. 19 left. There is a Thurman Thomas right here. As a Dolphins fan, this guy used to wreak havoc in the 90s on us. I tell you what, Buffalo Bills, Steve G, coming out to you. Then we have a Marcus Peters right here, Kansas City Chief. Kansas City Chief. Oh, man, I'm doing good, Big Easy. Doing well, buddy. There's a Earl Thomas right there. There's Mr. Tony Romo, Dallas Cowboy. Here is a John Brown right there, the speedster out in Arizona. And here's a Brashard Perryman right here. Brashard Perryman. Baltimore Raven. All right, 2 packs left here. 2 packs left. Here is a Joe Willie Namath. Then we got a clarity card coming up. There's a revision again of Doug Flutie in the Chicago Bears uni. And here is a Richard Sherman, Seattle Seahawk. Richard Sherman, clarity card. All right, last pack. All right, let's see what we got. Lawrence Taylor right there, LT, New York Giants. There's a Giant. Next up is going to be Kurt Warner with the Rams. Greatest show on turf. And last one here, look at this. 24 of 50. The see-through signature. None other than Mr. Reggie Wayne right there. Reggie Wayne, 24 of 50. Indianapolis Colt, Troy C. My man, that is big time right there, buddy. Great hit coming out for Troy. The 24 of 50 see-through sig. Very nice. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the 2-box break. Let's go ahead and get that over to YouTube right now.